Everybody, welcome back to my page. So today I'm going to be doing a try-on slash review of the Jayda. Yeah, I always had a hard time pronouncing her name, so it's Cheaves or Cheaves, I'm not sure. Beauty. This is her lip kit, her first lip kit. It comes with a lip liner, a tinted lip oil, a tinted lip gloss, my bad, and a lip oil. Let me see how much I pay in total with shipping included. It comes out to $75. Now, I know a lot of people were complaining on TikTok about the cost of her products, but I love when I see black girls come out with beauty brands or makeup products, or like collabs with different like beauty brands. So I don't mind paying $75. I'm a huge fan of makeup. I have had a ton of makeup in the past before I did like a huge clean out this year. So yeah, I'm a big fan of when black girls bring out makeup products, and I do buy it. I don't care if it's $75, $100, $125. That doesn't bother me. So let's jump right into this review. This is what the box looks like. It's black, and then it has like her initials right here. It's like in a 3D kind of form. I'm not sure what it's called. And then, like, you know, she has her beauty brand and what products come with it in silver here. And then, of course, the ingredients for the makeup products. And then on the sides, it's vegan. Oh, it's clean, vegan, and cruelty free. Ultra shine, glaze, and hydrated. So let's open it up. The lip liner is on the side, and then you have. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to talk about is the lip pencil. It's in the color mocha. Now, when I hear mocha, I think of like a brown, but then like a burgundy red kind of like undertone. So this is what the lip pencil looks like. Yeah, this is what the lip pencil looks like. I still think it has like a little dark red, like the vampy red kind of vibe to it. Like undertone to it. See, it's not like fully brown. Now with the lip pencil, I don't really too much like lip pencils like these that roll up. I kind of like the pencils that sharpen because you get more product. This is 0.2 grams / 0.007 ounces, which is a good amount of products. Now, the thing that I do like about these pencils is that they're hydrating. The pencils that sharpen, they are pretty matte and they will dry your lips out. But these pencils that roll up, they are very hydrating, and it doesn't make your lips as dry, if that makes any sense. So we have the tinted lip gloss, and this is called Amore. You get 0.12 ounces and or 3.5 grams of product. So let's do a swatch. And that's just one swatch. Okay, she is like a pink. I don't even know if y'all can see it on camera. I hope you can. But she is like a peach. She's a soft pink. She's a pink. Now with me, I get it, you know, some girls, they love like pink blushes, but I use an orange blush. I don't know if you can really tell. I cannot stand the way pink makeup product like looks on me. I think it looks kind of like slutty. But I have a feeling that I'm gonna like this lip gloss only because it's sheer as well as high. Let me feel it because I didn't get a chance to feel the texture. Let me think of what the texture feels like. It feels very hydrating. It feels it doesn't feel sticky. Like, it doesn't have that sticky feeling to it, but we will see once I put it on my lips. And the final product is the lip oil, and it is named Ice. Same thing as the tinted lip gloss. It's 3.5 grams, 0.12 ounces, 0.12 ounces. It has like a little metallic shine to it. I don't know if y'all will be able to see that. I hope so. Oh, it's pretty. It has like a, yeah, you can see it on camera. It has like a little glow. Ooh. And it's not sticky either. It has a very hydrating and moisturizing feeling to it. It kind of smells like a shea butter. these are what they look like. This is the lip liner, the tinted lip gloss. Actually putting this lip gloss under it, kind of like you can tell it has like a pink undertone, and this is the lip oil. So let's try these products on. Yeah, I'm just gonna have my small mirror here. I'm gonna lower it so it's not in camera. And gotta put this on. It goes on very smoothly, like smooth. That just glided on my lips like butter. So I like that. I like that. I like that. I like the way it feels. Ooh. Normally, I'm a Court kind of girl by MAC, and if you ever seen Court, it's a little bit lighter than this. But I definitely like the red undertone. She's cute. Okay, so let's put on the lip gloss. I'm going to put on the lip gloss. This is in the shade Amore. It's in the shade Amore. So let's see Amore. Oh. That's a good pay, y'all. Okay. I have my little Sephora all over eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna put this in. This gives me very much gothic vibes. Okay. And that was only one little dip into my lip gloss. I don't think I need a second one. I don't think I need a second one. But I'm gonna do it anyway because I'm extra. She's cute. She's cute. She's cute. Now I'm gonna take the lip oil and just put it on top. I don't know what kind of effect it's gonna give. I guess it's gonna give me the glittery effect because it has that shimmer in it. So let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay, she's cute. She's cute. I'm just gonna put a little bit of lip liner back on the bottom of my lips. Just a little bit. That's what I'm talking about. I like, so this is what she looks like close up. This is what she looks like close up. Yeah, I think I'm going, because I'm going to California tomorrow. So I think I'm going to put this lip kit in my bag and take my lip kit out and just put my cork lip liner in there in case I just want to, you know, mix it up a little bit. But yeah, this is the final lip kit, and these are the products. As you can see, they're still in my hand. But yeah, this is the final lip look. I'm feeling her. I think it's great. It's a 10 out of 10. Now, as far as the lip liner goes, I probably won't repurchase the lip liner only because, like I said, I like the sharpen the lip liners that you can sharpen because I feel like they last longer, and those, they really don't last that long. It's like after it's finished, you get what you get, and then you have to repurchase another one. But the lip gloss in Amore, I love her. I normally do not wear pinky like undertone lip glosses. I normally go for like a nude, a brown, a vanilla, like a light brown, a vanilla like kind of tone. So, but I definitely like this pink. It's a very sheer pink, and my favorite color of pink is like the baby pink, like the soft pink. So that's probably why I like this lip gloss. And then the lip oil, I will be repurchasing. I like the shimmer in it. It went on very great. I mean, it went on smooth, great. I didn't have to keep dipping my wand in and out of the lip gloss bottle to get more product. So yeah, I like it. I like it. So maybe just not the lip liner, but you know, the lip gloss and the lip oil was pretty good. It worked out pretty good. I think it'll look, you know, great on any skin tone. If I went on her website, because when I saw it on TikTok and Instagram, I saw the tinted lip gloss, and I saw it was pink, and I was like, I don't know if I want to buy that. But then when I went on her website, I saw like she had different shades like of black girls, and she had a light-skinned girl on there, and it actually complemented her skin tone pretty well. So that's why I ended up purchasing the lip kit, because I'm like, okay, well, maybe it don't look that ugly on me, and I'm very insecure about shades of pink like products that go on my skin because I do not like the way it look. But this actually doesn't look that bad. This gives me like wintertime vibes. I don't know if it's the lip liner, the undertone of the lip liner, but this gives me very much wintertime vibes. I love it. Yeah, so I like it. You know, if she comes out with a lip pencil, the one that you sharpen, I would definitely buy the lip pencil again. But yes, honey. So that's the ending of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I gotta go take some pictures. For my thumbnail for YouTube. So like, comment, and subscribe, and then I will see you on the next video. I have